Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent these self-adhesive hooks that you can either use in your bathroom or kitchen, anywhere that you're needing to have a nice place to hang something. These came in a nice box. They're about 1.38 by 2.09 inches, so they're really small, but they do have a self-adhesive on the back of them. They come packaged like this. And this is a stainless steel hook, so it's going to be able to be weather rated if you're going to be using this in a bathroom. Very clear, transparent backing on this. Loving the fact that this is really a small stick-on base. Some of the hooks you can find have this giant stick-on base. These do not have that, which I like because it allows you to easily peel this off and then stick them up close to something if you wanted to get them up closer to something so that you can go ahead and push that on there and then hang. This actually will hold up over 10 pounds worth holding on that, pulling down, and it is a very nice flexible stainless steel ring on that that allows you to hold that on there. So that is a really nice hook. It's not sharp, it's not going to snag on towels or anything like that. And if you're using this in the kitchen, it would work great to put it even inside of a cabinet if you're going to hang like hot pads or trivets, things like that, to get them off your shelf to free up some more space. This would make a great addition for anyone's home.